Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the newest edition of Wisconsin Johnson Outdoors. We're out field hunting this morning. We've got 3 birds down so far, 2 Drake mallards and a hen, so stay tuned. Kellen, nice Drake mallard. All right, show us the bird. Nice. Nice looking bird. Okay, we just got set up. It just turned into shooting time and we had this group come right into the robo ducks. Take them. Alright, we just knocked down a nice drake. Hey Dustin, sorry if I didn't call the shot on that one. They snuck in on the side and before I knew it. Count a little further, buddy. Back. Back. Good dog, come on. Come on. Good job. Alright, I stand corrected. It was a hen. Thought it was a drake. Alright, hope we got some more coming here. Alright. Alright, Parker, what'd you think about this morning so far? Yeah? You look cold? Yeah, it's windy, it's cold, it's wet, it's muddy. No. Kellen, what do you think?
Good.
Good? Okay. All right, here's what we have so far. As you saw, the boys got cold, so I brought them back to the truck. We're gonna leave these here and I'm gonna head back out. We've got 1 drake and 1 hen apiece, so we can each get 1 more drake and 1 more hen. We had some geese working, but nothing would come in. We had some ducks work too, and they wouldn't come in, so then we put the rover back out and just see if we can get a couple more ducks here. Hello, everyone. So it's been a mess today. It's been really windy, cold. We tried that field hunt this morning, and it was wet and muddy. We did manage to get a few mallards. But we decided this afternoon we were going to go to the far end of the field and try to get down out of the wind a little bit. And when we walked down here, we jumped up a bunch of mallards that were puddled on a puddle out in the field. So we found a nice little spot here along the edge that we're going to hide in. And we've got some decoys out in front of us, and we've got a few hours of hunting left. My buddy Jeff's going to join us this afternoon, or at least that's the plan. I can only shoot 2 more mallards because I shot 2 this morning, but I can get 3 geese yet, and maybe we'll see some other kind of birds, but we'll see what happens here. All right, my buddy Jeff got out here. He brought out 1 more robo duck, so we got 3 out there now. He adjusted 1 decoy, so now we're definitely going to shoot some mallards, and if not, that's okay too. Right, Jeff? Take him, take him. Oh,
One was hit.
Look, I think that one is hit there.
Yep.
Look at that one.
One was hit.
Boys got it. Boys on it.
See him?
Boys
You
on
guys?
it.
There they got. They're on him. Good boys.
The boys were getting cold, so they were going to go for a little walk, and they got to right about there, but about 300 yards out, and we had a flock of ducks come in, and you probably saw the footage of that. We knocked one down and it sailed, and as soon as the boys saw that thing sailing, they started running over there, and now they have it, and Jeff is going over there to check them out. But there they go. Parker and Kellen, the ultimate retrievers. All right, there's Jeff back from the semi-retrieve. There's a bunch over there, huh?
Yeah, we got more birds coming.
All right, I just knocked down my last mallard of the day. Nice drake. Pick this thing up, get back in the cover for a little bit, and see if we get some geese. Take them. Good job, Jeff. All right, so Jeff just got back, and as you saw in the footage there, he dropped a mallard. I pulled up because that's where my camera is, and he dusted that one pretty good. All right, not a bad way to end the evening. So between the 4 ducks we got this morning and the 4 ducks we got this afternoon, it was an 8 mallard day. Can't complain about that at all. I got my 4, so that was pretty good too. So that wraps up this edition of Wisconsin Johnson Outdoors. As always, thanks for watching, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. I never thought you'd get this close to me.